Hi, my name is Robin Devine, and I'm a massage therapist, lymph drainage therapist, and certified lymphedema therapist practicing here in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Over the last 5 years, I have had the pleasure of owning 2 lymphatic therapy clinics. And while working on many conditions that are not lymphedema, so working on headaches, skin conditions, sinusitis, pre and post surgical, all of those lovely things, we have had additionally the opportunity to be lymphedema therapists. And being a certified lymphedema therapist means you can address those who have either been born or who have developed lymphedema over the course of their life. We are so excited to announce the Chikly Lymphedema Therapy Certification program with our inaugural class happening in September 2023 here in Calgary, Alberta, Canada. The prerequisites for taking part in our CLTC course is lymph drainage therapy level 1, 2, and 3, the online reviews of those 3 classes, as well as reviewing the DVD dissection course of the lymphatic system and completing the test. After that, you are able to then engage and take part in our 7-day certification program for lymphedema. And on top of adding on to all the skills that you already have that are more than most schools out there that give you any opportunity to work with organs, work inside the mouth, work on the eyeball, inside the ear, all of those critical components that do benefit lymphedema patients. You will gain the skills to be able to do upper extremity, lower extremity compression bandage, short stretch bandage, learn how to do fitting and garment measurements. You will work with lymphatic taping to help maximize rerouting of fluid. You will work with pneumatic compression pumps. You will have access to 7 full days of training, review, practice, followed by an exam, as well as an oral practical exam. So if this is something that you've been waiting for, which is going to change the patients that you're going to have access to and open up the benefits for so many new patients, then please reach out to us, and we hope to see you in our lymphedema therapy certification program in the near future.